Good evening, myself Dr. M. Takle from Sharad Institute of Technology, College of Engineering, Yadrao, Itzelganji. Unit number 5, Production Drawing and Reading Blueprints. Production drawings, sometimes called working drawings, are complete sets of drawings that detail the manufacturing and assembly of products as distinct from the engineering drawings prepared by and/or for production engineers whose task is to decide how best to manufacture the product. Machine operators, production line workers, and supervisors all use production drawings. Here we will take small review of last lecture about that surface roughness. In last lecture we already studied there are three symbols for indicating the surface. First, symbol indicating the surface. Second symbol indicating a surface that requires material removal. That is, in material removal process is required for in a second symbol. Third symbol indicating a surface that does not require material removal. Again, here some overview. The symbolic representation for surface roughness is there. A is surface average value, B maximum waviness height, C maximum waviness spacing, D roughness sampling length, E lathe symbol, F machining allowance. Example is given, that is 32 to 63 micron, 0.002-4, 0.05, and lathe symbol is a perpendicular. First, we will give just overview briefly. That first is a basic surface texture symbol. Second, roughness average value, that is RA value 63. N7 is a grade number. Roughness average value A specify in micro inches, micrometer or roughness grade numbers. Normally in Indian industry using this is in microns, that is micrometers. Maximum and minimum roughness average value A specify in micro inches, micrometers or roughness grade numbers, that is 32 to 63, that grade symbol N6, N7. Next, maximum waviness height rating, that is B specify in inches or millimeters, horizontal bar added to basic symbol, and which is 0.002. Next, maximum waviness spacing rating C specify in inches or millimeters, horizontal bar added to basic symbol, that is 0.002/4. Lathe symbol E, that is perpendicular. Roughness sampling length or cutoff rating capital D, when number value is shown use, that is 0.03 inch 0.8 millimeter. And last one is a machining allowance, F, specify in inches or millimeters, that is 0.06. In last lecture or in last slide we studied, for every roughness value some grade symbol or grade roughness is there. If it is required that the required surface texture be produced by one particular production method, this method shall be indicated in a plain language on an extension of the longer arm of the symbol. Now, if it is required that the required surface texture to be produced by one particular production method, and this method shall be indicated in a plain language on an extension of the longer arm of the symbol. Symbol is given and milled is shown as shown in figure, right side figure. Milled is shown. For particular production method, you have to indicate the plain method which machining process is required, that is turning, milling, grinding, super finishing, it may be gear hopping, any particular, in lot of methods are there, and that if you want to use that particular method, you have to mention on the particular method on that extension of longer arm of the symbol, that is the required surface texture be produced by one particular production method, and this method shall be indicated in a plain language on an extension of the longer arm of the symbol. Now, roughness values are given in micron and roughness grade is shown, and its conventional representation is also there. Now, we will study one by one. When roughness value is 50 micron, that is RA 50 micron, that is 0.05 mm. The roughness grade is N12 and symbol is as shown. Normally for that casting surface, that is when no machining is required, as cut surface, this symbol is used. This symbol is normally for as cut surface. Then for RA value from 6.3 micron to 25 micron, that is 25 micron, 12.5 micron and 6.3 micron. For 25 micron, roughness grade is a N11, that is for 12.5 it is N10, for 6.3 it is N9, and the conventional symbol is single triangle that can be achieved by various common machining processes. Then array 6.3, 3.2 and 1 point, array 6.3 and 3.2. For 6.3, roughness grade is a N9. For 3.2, it is N8. And this conventional symbol is double triangle, which can be achieved by various machining process like conventional machining process like lathe machine, milling machine, drilling machine, shaping machine, etc. Then for array value 1.6 and 0.8. For 1.6, the grade is N7. For array value 0.8, it is in microns. The grade value is N6. And symbolic representation is a triple triangle. And normally this is achieved with the help of grinding process. Then next is .4 micron, 0.2 micron and 0.1 micron. For 0.4 micron, roughness grade is N5. For 0.2 microns, it is N4. And for 0.1 micron, it is N3. And the conventional representation is 4 triangle. And this can be achieved with the help of various machining processes, that is super finishing processes like honing, burnishing, lapping, etc. In a production drawing or in an industrial drawing, you will be observed that they indicates array value or some grade value or some symbols are there. Normally array values are given, but in some cases grade values are given. If array 3.2 is there, instead of array 3.2 in some drawing, you observe that grade value is there, that is N8 will be written on that. Instead of that A, the N8 will be written on that. So through that this standard chart, that N8 roughness grade indicates the surface roughness value, array value 3.2, which is in microns, that is array 3.2. Considering this case, A is there and that line shows the machining is milled, that is milling is there. A is roughness value array in micrometers or roughness grade number from N1 to N12. Go to the table, the grade values are that N3, N4, N12 like that. So there may be array value or there may be roughness grade value. B. Production method, treatment or coating. Here as shown in milled, that is milling is production method is shown here. C is the sampling length, that may be cutoff length, that 0.4 mm or 0.8 mm like that. D. Direction of lay. E. Machining allowance. F. Other roughness value in brackets. If other than array value is there, you have to mention the other roughness value. Here again one of the chart which shows equivalent surface roughness symbol. The roughness value array in micron, roughness grade number and roughness grade symbol. For array 50 micron, surface grade number is N12 and roughness symbol as shown. I already told that normally it is used for ASCII symbol. For array 25 micron and 12.5 micron, one triangle is there and 25 is shown by grade number N11, 12.5 is shown by grade number N10. Similarly 6.3, 3.2, 1.6 by double triangle 6.3 N9. For 3.2 micron grade number is N8. For 1.6 micron grade number is N7. And 0.8 micron, 0.4 micron and 0.2 micron by 3 triangle. 0.8 micron array value by grade number N6. 0.4 micron by grade number N6, 0.4 by grade number N5, 0.2 micron by grade number N4 and shown by 3 triangles. Then 0.1 0.05 and 0.025. For 0.1 micron, grade number is N3. For 0.05 micron, grade number N2. Similarly, for 0.025 micron, grade number N1 and is shown by 4 triangle, that is super finishing processes. Here again shown that meaning that 0.8 is the average roughness height, 0.8. 1 is a waviness height, 0.08 is a waviness width. Then 1.8 is a roughness width cutoff, 0.2 roughness width, and perpendicular is a shown lay. Here average roughness height shows that the RE value is a 0.8 micron. Waviness as shown, waviness height is there. The waviness height, that is roughness height, is a 1 micron as shown in a sketch. From that minimum to maximum, that is from value to peak, or from peak to value, maximum value and maximum peak, the waviness height is a 1 micron. 0.08 shows that waviness width. That waviness width is shown in there, and that waviness width is 0.08. Then 1.8 is a roughness width cutoff. Roughness width cutoff is shown there. It may be 0.8 mm, 0.4 mm, 0.8 mm, like that. Then next is the roughness width as shown. Roughness width. Then lay is a perpendicular, the direction of lay. Some machining is there. The direction is shown here. And right now in the chapter, that is production drawing, we studied what is meant by production, what is meant by production drawing, what is meant by limits, fits, tolerances, because which are very important parts for fitment or machining of the component. Then surface roughness. Surface roughness means which plays again very important role considering that aircraft machining, because particle life plays an important role in this. That surface roughness plays a very important role for that particle life. Then how that indicates the various measurement of surface roughness, that RA value, RZ value, like that. Similarly, the various symbols for surface roughness, the single triangle, 2 triangle, 3 triangle, 4 triangle, like that. The grade value from N1 to N12. These are these conventional representations are very important for machining or for designing purpose, because the drawing is a master drawing and used by various engineers, that workers or shop floor engineers or quality engineers, production engineers, supervisors. So through that the production drawing must be perfect, and there are some conventional representations must be used on that drawing. Then it may be symbolic, that is single triangle, double triangle, or grade value. These are the conventional representations must be on drawing. The limit, fit, tolerances must be given on the drawing, because it is very difficult to manufacture the component to exact size. So tolerances are given. So which type of tolerances, unilateral, bilateral, the type of fitment, clearance or interference, the limits, upper limit, lower limit must be clear on the production drawing. So drawing must be fulfilled. So it is a language of engineer and which can be used by any other persons in the universe. So it must be master, and there will not be any mistake. It is completely foolproof. Drawing must be there. So here the end of this chapter number 5. Thank you.